Okay, Parul, first of all, congratulations to you and to Akash that you
Thank
have scored this marvel band in the IELT exam. So, first of all, I wish to ask you that what is the score you could gain here?
So, sir, my overall CLB is 9. So, when it comes to section wise, my listening score is 8.5. My reading is 7.5, speaking 8, and writing 7.
Okay. So did you write paper-based exam or computer-based exam?
Sir, I've given computer based exam.
So how would you like to read the computer delivered exam? Is it what convenient or complicated? Did you face any difficulties or trouble in the computer delivered exam?
No, computer-based exam is pretty easy to manage computerly because in writing section as well, while you type in parallelly, you would know how many words you have written, so that's easy to manage. Again, while listening also, it goes in one flow, so that is very helpful and accommodating. And for speaking, they anyways request you to come a day before or day after the exam. Then that is again very convenient because it allows you a different time altogether. So I think it's a good platform. Computer based is a easy method that ways.
Okay. So what was your requirement? Could you gain your requirement? Has your requirement fulfilled?
Yes, I'm actually very thorough and happy that my requirement was fulfilled by both of you, Dolly ma'am and you, sir. I would like to specifically call it out because I was struggling to score marks in few of the areas, and virtually the journey has been actually pretty smooth. I could get the timings according to my availability because I work parallelly, so that was one restriction which I had, and virtually I was a bit apprehensive that it will work out or not, but thankfully it worked out beautifully. I got the required slot, and it was continuous practice, and I think virtually that accelerated my learning because you were able to give me feedback every day as my requirement was, because I had taken 7 to 8 classes in one go, and I think we just had 2 to 3 breaks, or we did alternate sessions that way, but that was again requested by me as per my work schedule. So everything was really accommodated by ma'am and you, of course, sir, and the feedback really helped me sail a lot. Initially, I was not even aware of the integrities and the nitty-gritties which are there during the scoring and how to draft the writing part mostly. And I was actually thinking while before connecting with you, I had given the IELTS, but I did not achieve the right score. But my husband, suggested me to start my coaching with you, and it really actually increased my learning curve and helped me to actually form a structure of my writing, which was really lacking. So that helped me sail through a lot.
As you told me that your husband has recommended Super Achievers Abroad Education for your IELTS preparation. How your husband could find us?
I think he was already aware of you, as you know, and he's been your student as well. So his experience was also very good with you. So I think both of us actually were really fluid to connect with you very automatically. And I think his experience was also very very good, and his results were also very encouraging. So I was pretty confident that when he had improved so much, it'll definitely help me as well.
So did Akash also wrote IELTS exam or something else?
He had taken PT coaching from you earlier, I think 2 years back. In fact, more than that, I do not even remember, but he remembered you and ma'am, and he directly asked me to, connect with you and do that.
Okay. And would you like to recommend something or any suggestion? Do you have any suggestion for the subsequent IELTS examinees, for especially for the super achievers and the computer delivered exam?
What I felt is great is just to believe in you. First of all, believe in the structure and the method, and the suggestion which you make, because you come from a very enriching background, and that really helps any student to actually apply and double the efforts which they're already putting in. Secondly, I think practice is what makes things perfect in that scenario. You should always practice continuously every day. Allow 2 to 2.5 hours for yourself. Do writing every day, because that really helped me. That actually helped me in time management. That actually helped me in drafting the right language, having a lot of different styles all together, put up for letter and essay writing. So I think these two techniques really excels your learning part, and that
Um,
definitely reflects in the.
the most important question is here, as you told us that you already have written the IELTS exam earlier. So, what do you think that a person who had scored already 6.5 while using the Google template or somewhere else? So, this how the 7 or 7.5 band is difficult a candidate who had already scored 6.5 with the help of Google template.
This I actually realized after getting connected with you. The difference is very huge, though we think it's just a point 0.5 number which is lacking. But what makes the difference is the right approach towards writing, you to be aware of how scoring is done, to be aware of what to put in and how to put in your essay and in your letters. So Googled term essay or whatever samples are available on the websites are pretty much secluded in their approach. The format is same, the language and the words and the writing style is same. But when you inculcate your own writing style, everybody individually has one kind of a writing style. So once you get a individual coaching for yourself, you actually realize what are your positive areas, what are your negative areas, and you can bridge the gap. But when you just copy paste from Google, learn some formats and just put it, apply it in every question, whatever comes in your IELTS exam, doesn't actually gives the right solution. The approach always lacks the right methods, and of course you would not know how your exam is scaled upon, how it is judged and checked. Once you know it, you actually becomes a lot more easier to apply that thought.
As you have already scored 7+ band in IELTS exam, actually 8 band. So some people who are who need more band, like 8 band or 9 band, but they think that they are just following the YouTube as something else. They are not going to join any reasonable approaches. So can they score it, number one, or can the people can score 8 band or 7 band with the preparation of 7 to 10 days only? Actually,
I
many
think
people,
that's very tough, even if, yeah,
actually many
because
people
I
have
know many.
actually many people have a lot of confusion in their mind. That, sir, how is it possible to score band 7 just over 10 days? Despite in many coaching center, people are sitting for a long day, say 7 to 8 hours in a day for a month, but still they are gaining 5.5 or 6.5. But whenever I am committing to those people that, yeah, definitely you can score 7 band or 8 band just over the preparation of 7 to 10 days. So they have doubt. So for those candidates, I need your feedback. So really, is it possible? What do you feel?
Definitely, it is possible. Even that happened in my case. I think I've just taken 6 days of 6 to 7 sessions from you, and that helped me, mark my level from, I think, 5.5 till 7 very smoothly, I would say. And while you prepare from YouTube or Googling certain methods in all these areas, they do not really help, because Google doesn't know what are your gap areas. When you do individual 101 coaching or in a batch as well, you can actually connect with you and ma'am, and figure out on what are the areas one should work in, and that accelerates your learning 100% to 200%. And that's how the track is so faster when you do a coaching. It's not that when you spend 30 days in a learning center you will be able to get 100% result, because that's a very slower process, and you tend to get very bored with doing the same rituals and not practicing enough. Rather than, I think you should just put in 7 to 10 days of your time dedicated enough, and so that it gives you the result you desire for, and it should be a focused approach, so that helps.
Thank you, Baru. Thanks for your feedback and overall, a lot of wishes to you and to Akash for your desired success. And definitely, we will see you very soon in Canada.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Baru. Thank you, Akash.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye.